Okay, so today I will be making some cinnamon rolls, and they are going to be dairy and egg-free. Ingredients you'll need: flour, all-purpose flour, sugar, this is just white sugar, some salt, you're going to need yeast, active yeast, this is what we use, non-dairy alternative milk, so I use almond milk, that's what I have this time, and then some non-dairy margarine or butter. I'm using Earth Balance, and I currently don't have it in the sticks, so we're just using it out of this kind of container. And then an egg replacer. There are multiple different kinds of egg replacers out there, so really whatever your favorite one is, you can use.
And water.
And you need water. For the filling, you're going to need some ground cinnamon, some sugar, and then margarine, butter. Let's start. Okay, now we're going to let the dough rest in a greased bowl for about 10 minutes, and we're going to make the filling. So get yourself a little bowl. Okay, so now that we have our dough rolled up, we get to cut it. I found that the easiest way is to use a piece of floss, take it under, and then kind of like tie it to cut it. And then we're going to place them in a pie pan that is already been greased, just kind of in a row, and then use some aluminum foil to cover it and let them rise for an hour to an hour and a half. All right. Okay, now since the cinnamon rolls have cooled down a little bit, we can enjoy them. Delicious. Ah, yes. Yep.
These are better.
They would go really well with sweet potato chili. I think cinnamon rolls and chili might be only a Kansas thing. Or is that a Midwest thing? Enjoy!
Thank you.